If you are getting no leads or no sales from your website, then you need to watch this video because we'll be showing you how to diagnose the problem and then fix the problem. Whee!
Your website is your hub online, it is your space on the internet and it should be working for you. But a lot of people tell us that their website just isn't working for them and they'll then go and complain at their web designers. But guess what? It's probably not your web designer's fault, it's probably yours.
Say what?
And in fact, before we get to the crux of why your website isn't performing, we need to address an even bigger issue: traffic.
And quality traffic at that, not just any old tire kickers. A website that converts 100% of zero traffic is still zero. So actually the most important thing for getting people to convert on your website is actually just to provide it with lots of quality traffic first. And this is why consistently creating quality content is absolutely key, because that's what's going to draw in those quality people to your website.
Now, once somebody has landed on a piece of content, you need to convert them, and that is the second piece of this puzzle: optimizing for conversion. And actually, to do that, we need to go back a step. Remember in our video all about keywords, we talked about the different types of keywords which related to why somebody may search for something and end up on your website. We had buy now keywords for people looking to purchase an item,
e.g. discount code Bluehost.
We had product research for people doing research before they bought a new product or service.
For example, best hosting companies.
We had informational keywords for people who have a problem and are searching for a solution.
For example, how do I host a website?
And we had tire kickers, people just looking for something for free.
For example, free hosting companies.
Each of these reasons why somebody is on your website can be applied to other traffic sources such as social or email too. For example, have they clicked over from your Facebook page because you've told them that they can buy something on that page, or just because you've told them there is some information that they need to know at the click of a button and all they have to do is click on it.
So to increase the conversions, we need to match the calls to actions of those blogs or pages on your website to the intent that they had when they visited your site. If they came to your website because they know that they want your service, then your sales pages need to give them all the information they could possibly need in order for them to make that purchase and make that process super easy for them to buy. Don't link to a generic contact form somewhere else on your website. Have a quote form right there on the site. Have your number right there on the site. Make it just stupidly easy for them to inquire about your services.
Phone number. Oh, that is a novel idea.
Ooh, call somebody. Text.
Facebook bot.
WhatsApps. Who calls people these days anyway?
I've got a call actually. But if they come to your website for information, you're going to have more success converting them into a subscriber first, through some kind of lead magnet or content opt-in.
Like subscribing to this YouTube channel, press that button.
Oh yeah, rather than going for the sale. Like join Atomic right now if you are enjoying this video.
Yeah.
But we see this all the time. People write a really helpful piece of content and right at the end, they cannot help going for the sale.
What is that all about? Come on, guys. It just doesn't match their intent. They've come to your website looking for some useful information and then boom, you like sucker punch them. Like now you're trying to sell to them. They're not ready for this yet, and all you're doing actually is pushing them away. Do feel free, however, to make sure that they can click around your website, navigate around your website and find those sales pages and buy from you. However, if they're not ready to buy just yet, they're not ready to buy just yet. No means no, Andrew. But if we get them onto our email list, then all is not lost.
An even better way to do this is to make the opt-in make sense to the piece of content they have just come to your website for.
Can we have an example on that, Andrew?
Oh yes, we can, Pete. For example, if they came to our website to check out a blog on how to make the best social media graphics, then a nice lead magnet opt-in that makes sense to that piece of content could be download all of our Canva templates to use as you wish.
Ooh.
Make sense?
Makes sense. Nice.
We then use email marketing to nurture that content over time with useful information, and when they are ready to buy, they think of us.
Or you.
Or you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you.
It's not all about us.
It's all about you.
It's all about you. It's all about you. McFly is Pete's favourite rock band.
No, they're not. This is how rumors start. So remember, guys, traffic times conversion rate equals sales. Woo! So if you don't have traffic, start with that.
But if you do have traffic, work on how you are converting that traffic better based on why they are consuming that piece of content in the first place.
He's been Andrew.
He's been wearing an oven mitt for this whole video, according to @BizPaul. Does Pete's top look like an oven mitt? I like it. BizPaul was just a little bit mean about your top.
BizPaul's not a friend anymore. He called it an oven mitt. Anyway, if you feel sorry for me, then please do subscribe to this channel. Feel free to comment and share, and subscribe for more marketing unboring.
See you next time.
Bye from the oven mitt.
Where Pete will be wearing a spatula.